Hello and welcome to Say It in German. Together, we will learn new German words and phrases. How to say, "Are you okay?" in German. In German, we say, "Geht es Ihnen gut?" Are you okay? Geht es Ihnen gut? Geht es dir gut? Are you okay? Geht es dir gut? Repeat after me now. Geht es Ihnen gut? Geht es Ihnen gut? Geht es dir gut? Geht es dir gut? How to say, "How are you?" in German. In German, we say, "Wie geht es Ihnen?" How are you? Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es dir? How are you? Wie geht es dir? How to say, "Let's go" in German. In German, we say, "Los geht's." Let's go. Los geht's. How to say, "May I pass" in German. In German, we say, "Darf ich mal vorbei?" May I pass? Darf ich mal vorbei? How to say, "Excuse me" in German. In German, we say, "Entschuldigung." Excuse me. Entschuldigung. How to say, "I'm sorry" in German. In German, we say, "Es tut mir leid." I'm sorry. Es tut mir leid. Es tut mir sehr leid. I'm so sorry. Es tut mir sehr leid. How to say, "Bye" in German. In German, we say, "Tschüss." Bye. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. How to say, "You're welcome" in German. In German, we say, "Gern geschehen." You're welcome. Gern geschehen. How to say, "Thank you very much" in German. In German, we say, "Vielen Dank." Thank you very much. Vielen Dank. Danke. Thanks. Danke. How to say, "Thank you" in German. In German, we say, "Ich danke Ihnen." Thank you. Ich danke Ihnen. How to say, "See you tomorrow" in German. In German, we say, "Bis morgen." See you tomorrow. Bis morgen. How to say, "See you next time" in German. In German, we say, "Bis zum nächsten Mal." See you next time. Bis zum nächsten Mal. How to say, "See you" in German. In German, we say, "Wir sehen uns." See you. Wir sehen uns. How to say see you soon in German. In German, we say bis bald, see you soon, bis bald, later in German. In German, we say bis später, see you later, bis später. How to say hello in German. In German, we say hallo, hello, hallo. How to say welcome in German. In German, we say willkommen, welcome, willkommen. Here are other ways to say welcome in German. Herzlich willkommen, a warm welcome. Herzlich willkommen. Willkommen bei uns. Welcome to us. Willkommen bei uns. Seien Sie willkommen. You are welcome. Seien Sie willkommen. How to say good morning in German. In German, we say Guten Morgen. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Let me repeat it slowly. Guten Morgen. This phrase or greeting is normally being used between 6 to 11 in the morning. And here is an alternative that is being used in south of Germany. Grüß Gott. Good morning. Grüß Gott. All right, now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Grüß Gott. Grüß Gott. Both Guten Morgen and Grüß Gott are Begrüßungen. Begrüßungen. Greetings. Begrüßungen. How to say good afternoon in German. In German, we say Guten Tag. Good afternoon. Guten Tag. It's good to know that this phrase literally means good day in English. However, it is the greeting used from 10 or 11 in the morning until 6 in the evening. All right, now repeat after me. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. How to say good evening in German. In German, we say Guten Abend. Good evening. Guten Abend. We greet with Guten Abend from 6 in the evening. All right, repeat after me. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more German daily.